Hi, I'm Ann Luke, and I am very excited to be sharing my journaling on purpose practice with you. It sounds serious, but it's actually very playful and it's very addictive and can transform the way that you see the world and yourself and the way you will engage with your life. This practice supports self-discovery, personal growth. You're going to learn to foster a gratitude practice. It's a place to celebrate your wins, to process things that are difficult, a place to experiment and have fun. By adding the color and adding very simple illustrations to our words, we are able to engage with both sides of our brain, and therefore we are able to shut that inner critic up that comes with our left brain and that analytical side, and you magically become more connected to your thoughts and feelings. And often I will even journal about dreams, and by the time I get to the bottom of the page, especially if I look up different meanings for the dreams, I'm able to interpret what that dream meant for me. It just really becomes a way to track your life in a just really joyful and fun, creative way. You're going to see yourself become more creative in other parts of your life, and you're going to learn to appreciate yourself more. I really hope that you'll consider joining us. There's no art experience necessary. If you do have art experience, great, you're gonna love it. But even if you don't, you're gonna love it, because I am going to teach you some techniques that are completely stress-free. And I've seen student after student arrive with fear and learn to fall in love with their sketchbooks in this practice. We'll be exploring daily prompts that make it really easy to connect with your thoughts and feelings. I really hope you'll consider joining me.